This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Hyundai Palisade. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Next, find the USB data port, usually in the center console. It's crucial to use a good quality USB cable for a reliable connection. This ensures your phone and car can communicate effectively for features like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Let's get started with the setup. Once connected, check your phone settings to ensure Apple CarPlay or Android Auto is enabled. Then, on your Palisade's infotainment screen, tap the phone projection icon. The system will guide you through a few simple steps, asking for permissions to access your phone's data. Granting these allows for seamless integration of navigation, music, and messaging apps directly onto your car's display. Encountering issues? Don't worry, it's often a quick fix. First, try a different USB cable. Some only charge and don't transfer data. A quick restart of both your phone and the Palisade's infotainment system can also resolve many glitches. Finally, ensure both your phone and the car's software are up to date. These steps usually clear up most connection problems efficiently. For the best experience, consider investing in a high-quality, data-only USB cable. These are designed for consistent data transfer, reducing interruptions. Also, make it a habit to clean your phone's charging port regularly. Lint and debris can often cause connection failures. And hey, if you love reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Enjoy your connected drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.